Rwanda for engaging me today. On the torture of journalists, I request the government and the Uganda Police Force in particular to respect journalists because they are the fourth estate in our nation. Now, we would like to inform you that journalists carry out the rule of law and the Constitution provides for access to justice and freedom of speech. So, we would like to inform you that journalists are the ears and eyes and nose of the public. So, when they carry out their work, they are helping you to see what is happening and they point out your mistakes. If you block them and if you torture them, you will not get to see your mistakes. But the work that you're doing of torturing journalists is discouraging the young professionals from entering the profession because if young journalists see that there is JAT, there is police, and they will be dragged through the mud, how will they be encouraged to carry out the profession? Because we are in a country where there is a lot of unemployment. But if you allow young people to join the industry, then you will not have to see a lot of lawlessness because people will be busy doing their work. Allow the journalists to do their work and to be the fourth estate and to be the ears and eyes of the public. Please do not discourage them from doing their work. Thank you.
Sort of taking pictures of the scene to depict what the story is trying to tell. Now someone can just enter those prompts into an AI and the image can be generated and go. So what useful photographers do, right? And video editors. I just thought that might be something that we in the media professionals might want to know about. So on one hand, as we celebrate the world press freedom and celebrate the contributions journalists and press people are making, at the same time, we also have to keep in mind the economic realities that are changing the shape of journalism as we understand it. Thank you so much.
Tools that you use. I think so people don't ask the representative of the National Association of Media Owners, but it's important that you look at the gadgets that you use. Must you carry these regular gadgets when you are going to cover a story? Are there any other digital tools that you can use and even the people who you are covering cannot recognize that you actually have a tool that they're using? So I think personal safety is something that should look into this, as you also continue to expose those who violate the rights of citizens and also seek for accountability and access to justice by the victims for their acts. As the National Coalition of Human Rights Defenders, we are committed to protecting journalists, human rights defenders, and ensuring that we provide emergency protection, medical and legal support, including psychosocial support, and relocation to journalists who have been under threat or attack. I wish to conclude my remarks by once again thanking the Law Society and congratulating Mr. Boa for this